It's time for Feathered Focus, sponsored by Teton Village Association.
Hunter the Peregrine Falcon arrived at Teton Raptor Center in July of 2016. He originally hatched on the Woodman Life Tower in downtown Omaha, Nebraska. The Woodman Life Tower has been home to nesting peregrine falcons since 1988, and more than 50 peregrine falcon chicks have hatched there. Everything appeared fine with Hunter until he tried to fledge. After twice being found away from his siblings and near a roadway, he was brought to a local raptor rehab center. They diagnosed Hunter with retinitis in both of his eyes. Though this congenital defect is permanent, it is not painful for Hunter. Due to the infections in his eyes, he was unable to see his parents when they were teaching him all of life's important lessons and survival skills. Hunter will forever act like an immature bird and lacks the confidence and skills to survive in the wild. The group of raptors we refer to as falcons consists of about 40 bird species. It is easy to identify them in the air by their long, pointed, and characteristically V-shaped wings. Falcons have incredible vision, impressive flying skills, and razor-sharp talons on their feet. They also have distinctive toothed beaks, a characteristic that sets them apart from all other raptor species. They come in a wide range of shapes and sizes, from the tiny Pygmy falcon at 20 centimeters in length to the much bigger Gyrfalcon, which can reach up to 60 centimeters in length and weigh over 5 pounds. Today, there are 4 different falcon species that call the Greater Yellowstone ecosystem home, each with their own unique role in the landscape. These include the American kestrel, the Merlin, the Peregrine Falcon, and the Prairie Falcon. Peregrine falcons have a wingspan of roughly 3.5 feet, and they can live upwards of 15 years in the wild. The peregrine falcon is the most widespread and common falcon species and can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Peregrine falcons are best known for being the fastest living thing on Earth, reaching speeds of up to 242 miles per hour when hunting. They possess a dive bomb hunting tactic known as the rapid stoop, which allows them to strike and capture their prey in mid-air by gripping the prey with their talons. Their diet consists of small birds like pigeons or songbirds, and sometimes bats. They're typically found nesting on high cliffs and rocky formations. They have adapted well to living in cities by utilizing the tall buildings as nesting sites. Peregrine falcon populations have been in decline since the mid-20th century, but conservation efforts, including captive breeding programs, have aided in population rebound.